Hello दोस्तों, today I have covered for this video VLAN and transport, and I have covered management VLAN. So for this system build and desktop, and then cover the color for the system. Now I have connect for the VLAN fast Ethernet 24 port. Now I have provide for the IP address 192.168.99.100, and this tutorial and VLAN trunk port, VLAN defaulty and VLAN 15 data, that this is VLAN management VLAN. So now VLAN 99 management. So now configure for the system IP address static IP address 92.168.99.100 subnet mask also. So now we have configuration mode. Enable config T terminal, So now also interface fast Ethernet 0/24. Now use command switch mode access. Enter now command use switch port access VLAN 99. Now Control C and switch port and show VLAN. Now show VLAN 99 management active first Ethernet 0/24 port. So now active. So and then command use in configure T terminal, and now use command interface VLAN 99, and I have provided IP address 92.168.99.2, subnet mask 255.255.255.0, then enter. And now use command no shutdown, and use command use shortcut key Control C, and now show running configuration. Now more than I have configured VLAN 99. So this is my interface VLAN 99 and IP address for this, and more than I have ping IP address for the system. Then I can check the reply 192.168.99.2, and I have checked enter. Now with the reply, so wait, request time out. Now have the reply for this. And thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for the channel Technical Boy Delhi. and share this video.